morning Year 6 and welcome to this week's maths video. So this week we are going to learn to add and subtract fractions and also to practice arithmetic for our fluent in fives. Just a quick reminder, because it has been a while since we've done it. If you are adding fractions, you cannot just add the denominators. You have to find the lowest common denominator, which in this case is 12, convert both fractions into 12s and then you can add them. If you're working with a mixed fraction, which is when you have a whole number and a fraction, the same applies, but there's an extra step. You have to turn your mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Remember, if you've got 3 as your denominator, then 1 whole would be 3 threes. So if you've got 1 whole and 1/3, you've got 4 thirds. So turn them into an improper fraction, then you can, now you have to make your denominators the same. The lowest common denominator in this case is 24. So you've got 32 over 24 and 33 over 24, which gives you 65 over 24. You then need to convert it back into a mixed number. The closest you can get in the 24 times table to 65 is 48, so that's 2 wholes and 17 24s left. Remember when you're doing it to take your time and also set your work out clearly. Make sure if you're adding that you line columns up or give yourself space so you don't get muddled. Another reminder, there are also to-dos on Purple Mash for this week that match these objectives. They'll go live on a Monday and will close on the Friday. Make sure you do them within that week. Okay, let's crack on. So today we are going to be looking at adding and subtracting fractions. Hit my bell then when I turn that over. So, let's do it. These are the answers to last week's challenges. So the first box, you've got 2 and 5/6. This box was 1 and 3/20, which made that box 1 and 41 over 60. Well done if you got that right. The second problem, so you had to convert them and then work out their distance. Annie, the answer was 1 and 3/20. Teddy, the answer was 1 and 9/10. And Eva, the answer was 2 and 7/20. Well done if you got that right, it's brilliant. So your challenge for today is to log on to Classroom Secrets Kids and complete the add and subtract fractions game. Good luck and I'll see you tomorrow.